you really have to look at it. And the best way to look at it is from the long term. Because remember, let me use the example. You go back, if you're dealing with a larger company, big company, let's say a Fortune 500 company comes along, they're really interested in your product and they want to put a licensing deal together. And you're wondering, you're thinking, wow, I want to get a real high royalty rate for this. I want to get a whole bunch of money up front. And they come back and they present you a deal and it's, let's say, 5%. And you're looking at this thing saying, 5%, oh, it's worth a lot more than that. I want more than that. You're going back trying to get 10, 12. Okay, here's what you're making the mistake on is that 5% from a company, if they're 100 or 200 or $500 million company, okay, that 5% could be 5% of a 50 or $100 million business that they could build around your IP. So when you look at this solely for money, you're failing to see what the potential partner could do in the long run. And that's really what you're in it for. I can tell you, you make far more money on the long term with the right licensing partner than you do in the short term.